Okay, this is going to be the whole process of me finishing up these spiral chip and dip bowls. Yesterday I just hit the the foot with a sponge and cleaned them up and signed them because I like to finish them, the bottoms. I don't want to flip it over after I've created this bridge, the spiral. Okay. And I just came up with lots and lots of little good shortcuts and things to remember. So this is a video for my future self for the next time that I make these to help my future self out. Okay, so now the bottom is clean and I'm going to put that onto a clean bat. Okay, and flip it over. I'm done with this plastic bat. So I get filed away with the plastic bats. Okay, I'm gonna gently push this down in case it rose up. And I'm just gonna look at everything and clean everything. Doesn't really need much. Okay, then I am going to find the bowl for this, and I've realized that these should be scored all the way around, which is really nice, makes everything easier. Score it all the way around, and it's going to go near one bat pin. Let me see, not right there. I'm going to cut to the bat pin. Yeah, so okay, so now it's at like 4 o'clock, and I'm going to draw myself a line from bat pin to bat pin. Nice smooth movement. Okay, that's important. That part's important. Nice smooth movement. Now I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to spray it down so it starts to soften, and then I will attach the bowl inside. So I'm just going to make sure I can see my line. And I really ideally want to, let me move this light a little closer so I can really see it a little better. Okay, moving away from me for comfort. So now I can see the line pretty well. And I realized that holding the pot in about the middle will allow me to get like one smooth rotation, maybe a little bit further. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to start my cut, and this doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go back and rasp it so it really looks good. There we go. A little dry on the rim, so it took a little something to... Now, I don't have to exactly follow my line. All I need to do is keep it smooth as I cut. Now, the next step is to lift this up and spray it down so it starts to soften because we need to bend it. So for now, I'm just going to spray it down pretty well. Okay, try kind of strategic strike. I don't want to get the whole pot soaking wet. I'll actually clean up some of that little excess. Just really that one strip. Okay, so next, let's attach the bowl. So I'm gonna actually I decided that this time I will just put this in, I can just put it in some slip actually. Let me put some slip on the bottom of the bowl, and then I will put that down where it goes, which is at about 4 o'clock. And then I'm going to pick it up, and there's my mark to where to cut it. I should probably move the phone at this point. Yeah, I should move the phone. Okay, but basically here, I'm going to score this up. Okay, great. So I moved it, and hopefully you can see a little bit more, or future me, hi self, can see a little bit more. Let me make sure it works for both. There we go. Okay, excellent. So I've done my cut, and I scored this up, and now I'm going to, so that's drying. I'm going to put some slip just on the bottom part. I don't need that much. And I can even clean up any excess there. And I'm going to find that spot and press that in firmly. Okay. Okay. Now, so the next thing is to, let's see how this is doing. Attach that. Yeah, I think it'll bend okay. So I want to score up the bottom of this, starting at about here. Let's cut a little further, but there we go. That's all we need. So let's get under there. Oopsie. Oh, I really didn't do a very good beginning cut, but like I said, I'll rasp that and make it better. I can even cut a little bit of it to make it look better. Okay, this isn't the best example, I guess. Anyway, let's go ahead and now we'll spray that down one more time. Now it's scored underneath. And I'll just soften it up, spray it down. Okay, and let that sit again for a minute. And now I'll put the slip on this bowl. Take it all the way around. This is just slip from the water bucket that I was using when I threw this. So I never use anything else. I just always just use the slip from when I was throwing it. Okay, so now that's everywhere. And I'm going to clean that up just by holding the outside edge and going all the way around. Now it's clean. Okay, and at this point I believe that we will be able to attach it. Yeah, nice and soft now. So coming in, finding alignment, gently pressing, watching the tip. Here we go. Gently nurturing it into position. And this did not go all the way around, so I'm gonna see if I can get a little more of this onto, too bad I pressed it in. Okay, a little more of that on, so it can go all the way around, and then I have like no cleanup. I've used to, this process used to be much more complicated for me. It was a lot of cleanup, and now I've figured out a couple steps in here that make it like almost finished from the beginning, as long as you do everything like, you know, in the right order. So that's been helpful. I hope I'm not blocking off my work. Let me move this just in case. Okay. And let's start working that in a little bit with the sponge. Look at the very little cleanup. It's always great to minimize our cleanup. This thing was a mess this time. That's the worst. Worst one. It's all right. Organic. Let's call it organic. I guess I could cut waves in the whole rim, couldn't I? That's a fun idea. Going with the process, that's what we call that, going with the process. So I'm just gonna go around and pinch these together and kind of work them together. It's a little thicker where they meet. The rim of the bowl below is a little thicker than the rim that I'm pinching, so this kind of helps to equalize it. And again, like easy. This is really easy and comfortable for my body to do. Okay, now I'm gonna just moisten my sponge and start taking care of a little bit of these things. I think I'm gonna cut that. I'll take care of this a little bit. There is some extra slip underneath. I'm gonna see if I can just kind of clean that up. Okay. And working it together. Oh yeah, I have this idea now to run a stamp here, so this part would be stamped. I think that could be interesting. Okay. So now there's just so little to do. Like I said, I think I'm gonna cut this side a little bit more where I have that big jump. So I'll just smooth that out. I'll start it all the way over here. Nobody's gonna know. And let me grab that. I'm pretty much holding the knife in place as I move the bowl. Oopsie. Okay. Let's not overdo it. I'll put that back. The surgery. Skin grafting. Whoops, cut your arm off. Sorry. Okay. So now let's see how that is. At the end, I will go rasp all of these transitions and anything that's kind of out of balance, like this stuff. So I'm going to let them dry up a bit, and then I'm going to hit them with a rasp. But that's pretty much it, which is really a lot less. I still want to cut it more. It's interesting. Just see that like really strong jump there, and I want it to be nice and smooth. So let's just keep going here. Start real shallow is the key. Okay. Okay, much better. Much better. I think you can kind of tell that I cut it a little more like in the balance, but it's totally fine. But I feel like I can feel it. Just thinking I think the rasp will do it. I don't need to overdo this right now. There's like one little spot here where there's a little stair step. Just kind of want to put a little clay in there. It's easier to take clay off. I mean, easier. Yeah, like it's easier to shave something off. And I think if I don't do that, it's like, oh, a little dip in there. Spit. Magic water. All right, let's leave it. Let's let it be. And that's it. Taking a look at it everywhere, just making any changes that are easy to make right now. Anything I see, anything that stands out. It's kind of all right, and I'll just clean it up for my future self. So any little crummies. Nice and clean. Just see, before I'm ready to step away from it, like these little finishing touches, like, oh, that could be better. That could be better. That could look better. Okay. Looking at it everywhere while I have it in my hand, this precious moment where you're the one who gets my attention. Yeah. Okay, yeah, and a couple spaces to hit when I clean it up, but looks pretty good to me.